Hello everyone, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat and welcome to our YouTube channel. Once again, this is Rofi Lacson from Trading for Beginners PH. And for today's video mga kaibigan, pag-uusapan po natin itong FBS basic tutorial about deposit and withdrawal using GCash. Kaya this video is for you kung naghahanap ka ng practical guide paano ito gawin. The very first step nating gagawin ay of course i-open ang ating FBS online account. At kung wala ka pang account with FBS, pwede ka munang mag-open ngayon. To start the registration process, maglalagay po ako ng link sa description ng video natin, gaya po nito. Then you can simply click it and you will be directly routed dito sa registration page kagaya ng makikita natin sa screen ngayon. Now, if you are using your mobile phone, wala naman po yung problema dahil ang overall process ng pag-register ay pareho lang as we use desktop. Ngayon, ang hiningi dito is input lang natin ang ating country of residence, of course, the Philippines, and confirm. Next step is the registration proper. Pwede nating gamitin ang ating mismong Facebook account, Google account, or Apple ID. Or you can simply just enter your full name, your active email, and proceed this register button. Now, on the final part will be the verification process or itong tinatawag na KYC kung saan i-verify natin ang ating identity by submitting a copy of our valid IDs like nitong government-issued identification card such as passport, driver's license, national ID, and among others. Next, ang pag-submit ng proof of address gamit ang ating mga utility bills, bank account statements, at iba pa na mag-prove ng ating address. So, tuloy mo lang sundan ang proseso at i-input ang mga information na kailangan from us and in just a matter of couple of minutes, magkakaroon ka na ng trading account with FBS. So ito na po ang aking verified trading account at ang una natin pag-uusapan ngayon ay ang proseso ng pag-deposit gamit ang GCash. On the other hand, kung gusto mo naman gumamit ng other mode of payments, dito mo makikita sa Finances tab and click mo itong deposit. As you can see, nandito ang mga common mode of payments na pwede nating gamitin like bank account transfer, bank card, cryptocurrencies, at marami pang iba. And also, to do it directly, pwede nating i-click ang deposit button mismo. And you need to see to it na ang nakalagay dito na trading account number ay ang gusto mong magkaroon ng deposit or balance. And proceed tayo. Then, scroll lang natin at hanapin ang GCash. Ang minimum deposit using GCash is 500 pesos up to 50,000. Maximum in one transaction. And click lang natin. Input lang natin ang ating first name, the last name, and finally, ilalagay natin ang amount na ating gustong i-deposit. Halimbawa, ginawa ko dito is 6,000. And with this amount, magkakaroon tayo ng around $100 the moment mag-fulfill yung ating deposit. And tuloy tayo with this deposit button. So ang ginawa ko, I click the transfer button doon sa GCash account and then I scan this code. At nag-reflect sa aking GCash na ready to pay na ako with 6,000 pesos. And finally, ito na siya mga kaibigan. In terms sa kung gaano siya kabilis, I think wala pang 2 minutes, pasok na po yung $100 natin or the 6,000 pesos na diniposit ko kanina. And it's a good thing kung ang broker natin ay wala masyadong complication in terms of depositing our desired capital na pang trade. And this time, ang pag-uusapan naman natin ay ang withdrawal processing. And of course, ang gagawin nating sample, ang ating na-deposit earlier worth 6,000 pesos or dito is $100.75. You can also access the different mode of payments as to withdrawal of our funds is concerned. Click mo lang din itong Finances. At the same time, pwede nating i-proceed directly itong withdraw button dito. And ayan, kung makikita natin, nandito ang mga options na pwede po nating pagpipilian in order to withdraw our funds. At sa tutorial na to, ang gagamitin natin ay GCash. So click lang natin. And ayan, makikita mo nandyan na lahat ang mga detalye ng aking GCash account dahil yun din ang ginamit natin sa pag-deposit. So halimbawa, i-withdraw natin lahat ang $100.75. And kung makikita natin, ang dineposit natin kanina is 6,000. Medyo bumaba po siya ng almost 20 pesos ngayon dahil po ito sa movement ng palitan ng peso versus dollar. And let's confirm our withdrawal. And for confirmation, nag-send ang FBS ng code sa aking email and input lang natin. And confirm. At kung makikita natin, ang ating withdrawal ay nakaprocess na. So let's proceed to dashboard. And as you can see, wala na yung balance natin kanina. At kung may narinig kayong parang beep ng notification, yun po yung pagpasok ng ating withdraw na amount to my GCash. So ganun lang po kasimple, kabilis at ka-beginner friendly ang deposit and withdrawal with FBS gamit ang ating GCash. So that's all lang po muna for our video today. I hope ang content natin ay nakatulong sa iyo. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and good luck with your trading journey.